Look, SpongeBob, are you gonna listen to a big dummy, or are you gonna listen to me? See you later, SpongeBob.
United States government has declared a nationwide tornado, but scientists have found that it isn't like any ordinary tornado. It has mutated human flesh inside the tornado, and has appeared to have giant human-like eyes on it. Here are some steps to survive the mutated tornado. Step 1. Lock up all windows and doors, and make sure to board them up for extra safety. Step 2. Don't look outside, for it can see you with its incredible sight. Step 3. Curl up in a bathtub or hide in your basement so it will find you. Step 4. Don't go outside or make contact with the tornado. Stay safe and good luck.